Hi, I'm Becca from Renovation Living, and today we're getting our new Palladio door fitted, which we're super excited about. So the past few months we've been living with our old existing porch door, which it really isn't very ideal. It's not very secure, it's not very aesthetically pleasing, so I can't tell you how excited I am to finally have a new front door. We've gone for the Milan door in agate grey, so it's beautiful and I can't wait to see it fitted. So this is our finished door. It's finally fitted and I'm so happy. It looks amazing and I just can't believe that we finally have a front door. So like I said earlier, this is the agate grey Milan door with silver hardware, letterbox down the bottom, which is super exciting because again, we've not had a letterbox in about a year, so the postman will be very happy. We obviously still have the render to do, so some final touches, but overall, aesthetically, it makes the house look a lot nicer and cleaner. So once the render's done, I think the agate grey and the white windows and the render will all tie in really nicely. So the door comes with 12 years manufacturing guarantee, which is amazing. It's also foil finish, so the colour will never ever fade, which is brilliant. It's super secure, so we have one lock here, but there's also many internal locks inside. So it's much more secure than we've had for the past year. So overall, we're so happy with it and it looks amazing.